Hi everybody, Mindy here. I really hadn't planned on doing another video today, but the Magic Gold EA had a really nice day today. So I wanted you to see what a really nice day looks like, okay? Now remember, we're going to start the Magic Gold program together on May 16th, which is in about a week and a half, okay? Now this is a program that people who really don't know anything about Forex can use to make money in the Forex market. I really like to help people make money with Forex. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I would really like to focus this particular program on people who are maybe stay-at-home parents or coming out of the military and don't know what they want to do for a career, but they need to make some income, things like that. So if you know people who have lost their job because of the pandemic, or maybe they're military people that are coming out of service and really don't have a direction, don't know exactly what they want to do, I think this Magic Gold program could be really good for them as far as giving them an opportunity to not have to worry particularly about maybe getting a job right away, things like that. So I'd like to ask you that if you know people like that, if you could point them in this direction and just tell them to take a look, and that's all we can do. But anyway, let me show you what happened today in the EA. So what we see first, this is the account that we've been following. So I'll bring it to the front, and you can see that I'm currently in the trade tab and there are no open positions. So what that means is that, again, today, all of the trades that opened have closed for this trading day. But we also see that the balance is now $7,863. Okay? That's actually about $850 higher than it was yesterday, which I think is a pretty good day. So when we go to the account history and take a look at what happened, I'm going to scoot this over just a little bit to make sure it stays in the frame on the video. These are the trades that happened today, and they're in the order from the time that the trades entered. Okay, so we started off the day with 4 trades that went in relatively around the same time. Okay, well, actually we had 1 and then we had 4. So I had started the day with 5 trades, a 59, a 48, 36, 53, and 33. And I thought, that's really not a bad day. If nothing else happened, that wouldn't have been a bad day, because it was a little over $200, and any day that the EA can make $200 or more is good, especially when it can do it on such few trades. Then what happened is I had a trade that actually hedged, okay? And what that means is that the trade got ugly enough that it had to put in a protective trade. So what happened next over the next few hours is the trade hedged and the EA fixed the hedge. Okay, so I've told you about trades that come out for negative, but they're bought off by positive trades. Well, this one particular trade, this happened 4 times today on the same trade. So in this circumstance where we were buying off the hedge, we made about $60. Then it did it again. This time we made about $80. It did it again. This time we made about $20. And then it did it a 4th time where we made about $40. Okay? And so I thought, okay, great, we'll take that. And then this afternoon, all of a sudden, out of the blue, really, what happened was there were some speeches by Jerome Powell talking about potential inflation, okay? And all of a sudden the markets went crazy again, and just within a few minutes, within about 10 minutes, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more trades go in. And this is what happens when the market's moving rapidly. I told you that most of the time the market lately has been moving kind of slow, and that I was excited to see what would happen when the market started moving faster. Well, this is what happens. We had these trades enter, but one of them closed for $90, $160, 130. Two of them closed for $36. One of them closed for $109. One closed for $86, and one closed for $25. So what that means is that the profit that the EA made today was $874 just today. So what I did is I ran a report on just today's trading, and again, you'll see on the report all of the trades in the order that they, went in, and the closed PL for today was 874. And then as we scroll down through this report, we see that there are no open positions, which we could see over here in the account. And then the little graph information that's just talking about today. We had, looks like 21 trades today. And for this trading day, it made its little chart. Like I told you yesterday, these little dipsy dives in the chart are where the EA is buying off the trades that it closes for negatives. Okay, but for today, here's all the data, the same data that you would see if I put this account into my FX book. It gives you the expected payoff, the profit factor, how many trades were made today, 21, what percentage of them closed for positive and negative, and the average profit and the biggest profit, the biggest loss, the average loss, things like that, consecutive trades. So anyway, I'm going to keep this video really short today. I do want to remind you that tomorrow night, on Wednesday, the 5th of May, from 7 to 10 p.m., I'm going to essentially have an open house, a go-to-meeting open house, where everyone is welcome to come in. I have a link that I'll put in the text of this video today, but that will be Central Time tomorrow from 7 to 10 p.m., and you can come into a go-to-meeting and talk to me and ask me anything you want about the program, the Magic Gold program, or the Magic Gold EA, or if you have questions about Forex in general, I'll be happy to answer those questions too. Okay, so anyway, thanks for listening again today, and I hope to talk to you tomorrow in the go-to-meeting open house. Okay, so bye for now.